What's today's date? Oh, fuck. My 21st birthday is on the 15th. 5 days from today. Oh my gosh, no! It's this weekend. I'm kind of terrified, but I'm also very excited. It's a mixture of both. I'm sad that I'm getting older, but I'm glad that I've made it this far with health. And great, now I have a headache. Ugh. This is my dad's vintage camcorder. Is that what these are called? A handy cam. I found it in his closet. And then we looked at some videos that were on it. My dad would film himself Emma Chamberlain style. I thought that was so funny, cause there's this one part in the video where he just has the camera down and he's just looking through the CDs, you know. And then there's another part where he keeps zooming into random things or just random people. Like, he would just film and then zoom, and that's what Emma Chamberlain does. And I'm like, I guess my dad was the original Emma Chamberlain. Or was it just like a thing to always zoom in? Because this thing would zoom in good. And I thought that this was so cool. It's so big and heavy. That's what she said. With my birthday coming up this weekend, I figured I would buy myself one. So I bought myself a camcorder. Except this was a tiny one compared to this big one. But I like this camcorder. I have spent my whole day today just filming everything. And at first I never understood why Emma Chamberlain would always zoom into just the most random things. But she has one of these. And zooming into things is so fun. I don't know what it is, but this thing zooms in pretty far. But it zooms in amazing. And just being able to just zoom into things is so fun. Being able to just film like this. It makes everything just so much more fun for some reason. I don't know why. I figured I would buy myself my own version of my dad's camcorder. And just film like the way he did. He filmed himself in the snow. He filmed himself looking at CDs, driving. He just left it on the dashboard and then just drove in the snow. I guess my dad had a lot of free time. I want to do what he did. I want to film the way he did it. Or the way Emma does it. You know? I didn't think that it'd be that fun to zoom into things. But this thing just brings back so many memories. Because my dad used to film me with this a lot. My birthdays, parties, things like that. So, I can't wait to see what all I get to film with mine. I know mine's just way smaller and way lighter too, but it'll be fun for sure. Oh man, I love this. This was a great 21st birthday, early 21st birthday present. It'll be fun to film myself on my birthday this weekend. Zoom into random things. Why does this thing zoom better than my iPhone? Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. How do I look? Do I look good? Who still listens to the radio?
You don't even know the song. Don't take us, we're going to New York! Let's hurry up.
York, baby! We're going to New York! And
Stop being cringy. Go, hurry up.
But you just did it too.
Yeah.
Why did you come?
Why didn't you come?
No one even likes you. ¿Huele?
Sí.
Service technicians have logged over 1 million combined hours of training. Also, get a multi-point vehicle inspection. Airbus's multiple delivery from 2029. Shadow News, look forward to what's next. Inside, grab a can of rainbow body fuel and find out.
So today on the Speedway app to get 1,500 bonus points. Plus get exclusive in-app offers with speedy deals. Now that's a deal we're talking about.
Hey, buddy. Hey, my little tech man. My face is literally glowing because I'm an angel. What was that? Was that a ghost? Clickbait? Oh, you can see that it's clearly Tucker. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Hello. I love this camera. Like, I know the quality isn't like the best, but it just reminds me a lot of the camera that my dad used when I was a little kid. I mean, his was way bigger. His camera was way bigger. It's so weird. Hi, Tucker Man. Hey, buddy. Hi, Tucker. Hey, Tucker Man. Oh, Tucker, you're so cute, pretty buddy. Tucker Man.
Handsome man.
What's that?
Good. Grr.
Look at my little baby. My little baby too.
You're not even brushing him right. Hurry up.
Ew. He licks his booty hole with that tongue.
You did the right spot.
Remember when I did that?
You would pay me for this, right?
Huh?
You're paying me for this?